Patrick, guess what came in the mail today?
Oh, what?
This.
Stick it in! Hey!
Hey, don't worry, I can fix it.
Squiggles on the screen!
Those are called end credits, Patrick.
End credits? But I don't want it to end!
That's why Neptune gave us the
The National
rewind
Weather
button.
Service in Burlington has issued a tornado warning for northern Franklin County and northern New York, west central Clinton County and northern New York, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm